And right now, even though the Giants took the lead while Afton was in there, the official score is telling us that the win would go to Madison Bumgarner, which would make him 3-0 in this World Series. Here's the 0-1. Back in the air, left center. That ball is good. And look at
No.
Oh, come on. Damn it.
Right here, the decision to try to stop and let the play and the ball goes by is better off waiting. Get the ball in front of him, get that runner first base. It's the right decision to let the ball drop, but he made it too late. He wasn't able to handle a short count.
It's a single E8. And now it's Salvador Perez. With the time with a hit. From Bumgarner, strike one. Man who has been the rock behind home plate for the Royals all year. The chance to tie it. Able to lay off 1 ball, 1 strike. Salvador Perez drilled by a pitch back in the second. The left leg almost couldn't continue, and here he is. Strike 2.
Come on, baby, come on.
He continues to climb the ladder for his out pitch. They continue to chase it.
Tying run at third, 2 out, 9th inning. The 1-2. 2-2. Bumgarner now up to 66 pitches here on the bullpen in Game 7.
Strike him out.
Ball on. That's pitch number 290 in this World Series for Madison Bumgarner.
And he's not changing his patterns, Joe. He's severely his pitch, but he continues to climb the ladder trying to move this record.
The 2-2.
He got it! He got it! He got it! He got it!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Woo!
Champion!
Oh!
5 years. And their hero, Madison Bumgarner.
That's right, baby! Dynasty! Dynasty! No one better. Yeah. Woo! Sorry, George. Sorry, George.
Bruce Bochy, in his 8th year as manager of the San Francisco Giants, now has his 3rd World Championship. Brian Sabian, the general manager, the architect, putting these teams together, moving parts, switching pieces. And let that celebration play out in the middle of this diamond. But guys, it's hard to put into words and into perspective what we saw this postseason, let alone this World Series with Madison Bumgarner.
I'm just in awe. The truly great history is not subtle. It smacks you in the face. You know it at the time you're watching. It's something that engages. And that's what we saw.
Well, pitch count is so important and so impressed in our game. To see him let the ball and fight to not come out of a game.
He gave Madison Bumgarner when that pitch was popped up into the air.
Dynasty.
More appropriate to catch it than Pablo Sandoval. But it to be. We got their offense started all night long. We go down to the field with Madison Bumgarner and Ken Rosenthal.
Thanks, Joe. Madison, you told me earlier today that this was not going to be that big a deal. But when he came to the park, how many innings did you realistically expect to pitch?
Innings wasn't, I wasn't thinking about innings or pitch count. I was just thinking about getting out until I couldn't get them anymore, and we needed someone else. So, fortunately, we was able to get some quick innings, and I was able to stay in there.
25 years old.
You've done it.
Got 3 rings already.
What was the difference between this and starting?
There's not near as much time to dial in, and that was the biggest thing for me. It was, I had a half inning to start getting up and getting loose and throwing all the pitches and stuff. So that was different, not having as much time, but luckily I was able to squeeze by.
You ended up throwing 270 innings on the season, over 50 in the postseason. How tired are you right now?
Right now, I'm not tired at all.
Right?
Let's go to Aaron Andrews.
Kenny, thanks so much.